Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this super cool 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Like I just said, 2021 bike on a 21 plate. It has got the full colour TFT display on this model being the newer bike, and it's done 1654 miles from new. Finished off in the green and black, so really cool looking bike is this one. Full LED front light on these as well. They use the same 650 twin engine they've used for years. Of course it is a newer version of that same engine. ABS on these, and you can also restrict these down if you are an A2 license holder quite easily. So I'm sure you've just heard it, it sounds ace too, looks the parts. If you do fancy this one, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we've put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call and we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.